Well, hello and welcome to That's the Point, where we discuss the many varied topics and ideas surrounding construction positioning technology. I'm Corey Meyer, sitting here with Jonathan Stickle. What's up, man?
Glad to be here.
All right, so we don't always get to talk about the pleasant topics. Sometimes we got to go into the uncomfortable ones as well. And today's just that day because we are going to talk about tablet reinstalls.
Oh man, they stink. They're not fun, but Building Point, we're here to help you out. So if you're in doubt, feel free to reach out to us, and you're not added alone.
We are. We're here for the bad days, more so even than the good days. But sometimes we know that you just want to roll up your sleeves and get this done. You got to get back out in the field. And so sometimes the quickest way is to just go out there and do the reinstall yourself. And that's what we're going to talk about today is, first of all, how to identify that you probably need to do a reinstall. And secondly, what the steps are to take care of that.
So first off, go ahead and double check that you have space available on your hard drive. Many times that's like one of the biggest contributors is just,
and this actually may save, this step actually saves, oftentimes this saves a complete reinstall because you find out that your hard drive, once you just look at it, you see that your hard disk is just completely full. And this is still a Windows box. It needs a lot of space on the free side to be able to do the paging and the RAM and everything and the virtual RAM and everything that it does. Move some of those older projects off, move some of that data off, get some free space. And if that's the case, you might actually see the performance before even conducting a reinstall.
Yeah. But some other indicators that you may indicate that you need to do a reinstall, like if your tablet is still running slow, the performance is just not where it needs to be. If you're getting system
you tap
stability,
that, you tap the screen and then it doesn't do anything for a couple seconds, like you might have a performance issue.
Or we've all seen the blue screen. If it's just caught on the blue screen, or you got the tablet from a coworker and it's password protected and you don't know what the password is, so you can't move forward.
A reinstall is the only way to fix that.
The only way to fix that. Connection issues, and then generally speaking, about after 2 years, you're probably going to want to look at doing a reinstall.
And typically, that's what we've come to expect. Like that's been our best practices. We look at a reinstall happening every couple of years, even under the best of circumstances, just to make sure everything's refreshed, and just it's a good maintenance regimen. If you've looked at that, you've looked at several of these items, and you say, hey, 2 or 3 of these apply to my particular tablet, then the reality is it's probably time for a reinstall.
Yeah. But before that, there's one public service announcement you want to do, and that is to back up your data.
There is no going back from this. Make sure that you get your project data off of the tablet before you conduct a reinstall. There is no undo button. Once we go through this process, that data is gone forever. So make sure you go into your traditional your default field link folder. Or if your organization keeps it in a custom location, you just want to make sure that you're getting those project files off of the tablet because they will be gone forever.
And after that, the reinstall process itself is actually pretty simple.
All you need is a thumb drive, right? Yep. So we need a single thumb drive. We like it to be, it needs to be 16 gigabyte or larger, but we would prefer it to be USB 3.0 or faster because there is a lot of data going back and forth. And the faster the thumb drive that you have, the faster the USB connection that you have, the quicker that you can get this all completed. So you just need that thumb drive, and then it's easier from there. That's the hard part.
Yeah, to make it even easier, we've added support links to our support page.
Click on the link below. It'll immediately take you over. You just select the tablet that you currently have, and you'll be on your way. It'll do step-by-step, get you everything you need to be able to reinstall and get running again.
Yeah, so this entire reinstall process should only take a couple of hours, but keep in mind, you can be doing other things while it's loading and things like that.
So once you follow these, you'll have a brand spanking new install that's ready to really tackle the meanest files that you can throw at it, just like the day that you got the system. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of our latest episodes that dive into the latest tips, tricks, and pointers to get the most out of your Trimble gear. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on That's the Point.